I just moved here back in July, and I had a doctor in Sacramento where I came from, and it was hard to leave her care because I trusted her and she was great. So I knew one of the things that I wanted to do was to find a great replacement here. So I really did my research. I was really looking for someone who I trusted, respected, and felt comfortable with. From the very first meeting, his bedside manner is fantastic. I've just felt like I was having coffee with a friend, minus the coffee. He was very interesting and interested. I also feel every time that I come in that he must have a clear afternoon because he spends so much time with me. I know it's not true, but that's how he makes me feel. I feel like I'm coming to visit a friend. Anything that I'm worried about, any questions that I have, if I don't think of them, he brings them up. So he's just so thorough. Anything that's important to me is important to him. I've been thinking about having this cheek lift for several years. And since I had found the right doctor, I was ready to take the plunge. We met 2 or 3 times beforehand just to keep going over questions. He would bring up all kinds of things that I hadn't thought of and talk about them in real terms so that when I started to have fleeting anxiety later on as the date approached, I would think about these conversations and oh well, all my fears have already been talked about, they've already been discussed. His ability and willingness to be very, very thorough helped ease my anxiety at different points later on. Not only is he easy to talk to and there for you, but his staff too. His staff would call me and he would call me like every other day. I never had to call them because they were always calling me. I'm kind of astounded with how generous he is with his time. And then his prices aren't higher than anyone else's. They're low. I don't understand how he can be charging such great prices, but I'm thrilled. He treats the whole person. He never just looked at my surgery. He wanted to know how I was sleeping, how I was feeling, what was I thinking. He was, do you have this symptom? Oh, okay, we're switching that drug. I mean, I was like, I just thought that I should suffer with this side effect. No. He didn't, he treated everything about me. He was concerned about everything, not just my stitches. So that's the full package, right? That's what you want.